Welcome. There's been a giant splash in the watering hole and a stampede through the muddiest part of the savanna. Now, some of our most magnificent safari and zoo animals are a total, glorious mess. From a splattered zebra to a lion with a muddy mane, the cleanup crew is needed right away. But there's a twist, a host of fascinating and maybe a little bit scary insects. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on wood, cardboard, or special chew toys to keep them short. Hamsters are omnivores. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. Platypuses live in burrows. They dig in the banks of rivers and streams. These burrows can be up to 30 meters, 100 feet long. Platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams along the eastern coast of Australia, from cold highlands Ladybug is not a true bug, but is actually a type of small, round beetle. Ladybug are not just for show, they are a warning to potential predators, like birds. Ladybugs are considered a gardener's best friend because they are voracious predators of plant-eating pests. Scorpions are arachnids, related to spiders, ticks, and mites. Scorpions live on every continent except Antarctica. Scorpions have 8 legs, 2 pincers, and a curved tail with a venomous stinger. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet UV light due to chemicals in their exoskeleton. They look neon blue or green. Scorpions are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Their big ears also help them stay cool by releasing heat. Donkeys eat grass, Stage beetles include some of the largest and heaviest beetles in the world. It is one of the most massive insects on Earth. Stag beetles have been on Earth for tens of millions of years, meaning they shared the planet with dinosaurs. Stage beetles are famous for their large branching mandibles that look like antlers. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Hippos are so dense that they don't actually swim. Instead, they walk or gallop along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick necks and powerful shoulders. That's what gives them their strength. Crocodiles are prehistoric animals. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles live in rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshes in Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Crocodiles are meat eaters. They eat fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes even other crocodiles. In the first round, we've got our big muddy champions. Picture a mighty elephant with dried mud cracking on its back, a sleepy hippo who's more brown than gray, and a curious giraffe with splatters all the way up its long neck.